It's a Bonfire Night!
And what is the Bonfire Night?
Johnny, please explain to the kids what is the Bonfire Night.
Remember the 5th of November.
Oh, Grandpa!
Okay. I will tell you the story because Grandpa is sleeping.
Okay. Okay.
In England, in the city of York, in the year 1570, a man called Guy Fawkes was born. Although he was Protestant, at the time he was growing, he became Catholic and even supported the Spanish army. In those days, England was a Protestant country, and the king was James I. As he didn't support the Protestant ideas of his country, he decided to lead a Catholic group in England with a terrified idea: make the parliament explode, putting on the basement of the parliament 36 explosives. But the 5th of November, one of the terrorists sent a letter to one of his friends that worked in the parliament warning him about Guy Fawkes' plan. Unfortunately, the letter arrived to the king and he ordered his death. So, Guy Fawkes was convicted to be hanged on 5th of November. And nowadays, people still celebrate that the Catholicism didn't arrive to England and that the parliament finally was not exploded.
Yes, did you like the story?
Yes! Hello! Is Grandpa alive?
Johnny, darling, Johnny, wake up!
And that's the story! And that's why we celebrate Bonfire Night on the 5th of November.
What is the Bonfire Night?
Johnny, explain to the kids.
Yes, mamá.
Toma tres.
And then, one day, he decided to put gunpowder in the parliament.
What is gunpowder?
It's a thing to make the parliament explode.
It's something once makes pop, there is no stop.
Popitas.
Este anuncio, este spot ha sido patrocinado por Palomitas Popitas.
¡Ay, tengo palomitas!
¡Toma 4!
¿Notamos un piquito? Juan y yo, en la historia o no?
Bueno, si queréis.
Si quieres, eso lo podemos dejar hasta más frases en plan de...
Johnny, explain to the kids, please.
Remember the 5th of November because... Oh, go on.
Auxilio, me desmayo.
¡Rampi!
Okay,
Come on.
okay kids, I will tell you the story.
Así no puedo. Pero la niña se puede reír, da igual porque le hace gracia. Ya, pero no me estaba riendo, me estaba partiendo la Yo te vi tanta. Ya que estaba llorando para dar el balcón.